Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Haringkat berok kuwi keri India, keri Boy District Ru kelaraki ke Sngi Laitluid nanti ke Independence Day. Ke bahanyo kendai chong keri, ia ke niga Jingrakhe la penlong, ha ke NSCA ground paham siim. Ukong san ha ke niga Sngi ude Menteri chong katuna tourism upa Lingdo ubla Pynher ke Lama lairong chong keri. Ha ke niga Sngi ladan lang ke MDC ke Nongpoh ke Kongrona Kimdej, Deputy Commissioner keri Boy Abilash Baranwal, Superintendent of Police VS Rathor, bagi officer sarkar. Keladaan pusat lagi kenhun ke boleh shimbenta ha ke parade makin thop naduk ki pulet bagi Bharat Scout and Guide. Lapan po penpiang ya ke Jingrakhe ke Jingrakhe idri bagi jing syatan rai deki kena skul. Lasam ru ki kusnam nak benta ke nong job ha ki benta per makin thop ki noi le kai sports ki jaka sumar bagi wepat ki belwan ra buram ya ke district.
This morning is the Amran Sub-Inspector Kirshan Boronghan. The next contingent arriving in front of the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Boy Scouts and Guides, led by Mr. Laitluid. Approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Christian Higher Secondary School Boys contingent under the command of Mr. And following closely we have the Christian Higher Secondary School Girls contingent under the command of Ms. Pynher. Approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Nongpoh and Secondary School Girls under the command of Ms. Marwen. Higher Secondary School Girls under the command of Ms. Hakram.
Ladies and gentlemen, marching towards the saluting dais is the boys contingent of St. Mary's Secondary School led by Commander Lama. Following closely behind is the girls contingent of St. Mary's Secondary School led by Commander Jingrakhe. Marching towards the saluting dais is the boys contingent of St. Paul's Higher Secondary School led by Commander. Marching right behind is the boys contingent of RBP Higher Secondary School led by Commander Mukti. Approaching the saluting dais is the girls contingent of RBP Higher Secondary School led by Commander Imba. Marching towards the saluting dais to take the salute now is the boys contingent of JNB Yangbari School, led by Commander Nongpoh is the girls contingent of JNB Yangbari, led by Commander Sngi Nongpoh. Marching towards the saluting dais is the boys contingent of Oasis Secondary School, led by Commander Nongpoh. Marching closely behind, to take the salute now, is the girls contingent of Oasis Secondary School, led by Commander English School, led by Commander Lama. Marching closely behind is the girls contingent of Greenboy Presbyterian Senior English School, led by
School girls, and approaching the saluting dais is the Alpha English Higher Secondary School boys contingent under the command of Mr. Pynher. And following closely behind, approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Alpha English Higher Secondary School girls contingent, led by Ms. Sngi. Saluting dais to take the salute now is the Auxiliary Higher Secondary School boys contingent under the command of Mr. Lama. Arriving in front of the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Auxiliary Higher Secondary School boys contingent under the command of Mr. Lama. And approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now with the Senior Higher Secondary School under the command of Mr. Lama.
Para nong snong bei jonga da ka bakmen nga ai ku play pi baro hakane ke ski kraw ka jingdap nyo kundai snem ka jingyo ke India ya ke jing Laitluid hakane ke ski ni ai buram ya kinong ile Laitluid jongi ngadu Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, dan Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Ki kenmau tempang ru da kajing buram ya ki ri na Meghalaya Tirot Singh ukyang nang ba marupa togan sangma. Ni ai buram ru ya ki sipai ya dari bat ki pulit ki wala IT ya di banda badker ya uput usam bat ya kaan. Dear citizens, it gives me immense pleasure to extend heartfelt greetings to you on the occasion of India's 79th Independence Day. We commemorate this solemn occasion and honor our freedom fighters, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We pay homage to the patriots from Meghalaya soil, Tirot Singh, Ukyang Nangba, and Patogan Sangma. We also honor the members of the defense, paramilitary, and police forces who have made great sacrifices to protect our territorial integrity and the rule of law. Hakini ki nyau stem balalej ngilabu hakmat ya ki kampen roy ki jing ai jing shakri bat ka jing penkup bor ya ki nong shong shnong. Kini ka snem kalong umau mer bodon jingmut haga jingat lenti ke meglia syaka roy kapar kat bangi deng ban kiu artet syaka thong jong ka vision ar hajar laipu ar. Kumbala sandur haka mission shipau kajela kalabu thong banlong kanong muna jong karoi ka kiu dagawa itu ya ki shipau teli ki jing shimlat ki bala ban penyat chaprang ya ki kam penroi bat banbu akhmat ya ki shipau teli ki jingkular ki ba pentikna ya ka bha kamiat ki nong shong shnong kani ka ya rengkat hapadeng ki thong bat ki jingkit kli ban wanra ya kala syai kaba pernai habaro ki kendong genshrat kami galaya kajela kai beteng ban wanra e kesuk kesnganya baro bat ban yarap ban kentiu ya ka roi kapar bat ka jingi trailang ke baskem ha kasin jam ka ba kongsan ka jing pentraikam ya ka MOU nak benta ka jingi penbet put bat ka asam kala nang ya chakmat menta ka snem hadin ka jingelang hapdeng ki menteri rangba jong ar ki jela kebelalong hak ar tarik jelio ar hajar ar pusan lala ban pendep ya ka jingthung ya ki paya penbet put hak thany hahim bat hakiwe kwe ki thany ka jingtrei kalanang ya syakhaman ka sarkar ka penskambiang ya ka kular ban bat ya ka hok ka jingsngan bat ka jingshai hak rukam traikam hak stem baladep ngilakot ya ki mau jam ki ba kongsan haga pentemai ya ka rukam penyat ya ki kam bishar ka an ka jing priang ya ka teknologi ka batamai kom ka sakya EFIR bat ka CCTNS kila yarap ban kentiu ya ka rukam trekam ka bakham janai haka tenat pulit lapan klanru ya ka forensik dak babu ya ki mobile van haman ki district kentup ka jingthung ya ki start aka forensic crime scene ka jingthung ya ka directorate of prosecution bapura bat ka jing sedang ya ka prosecution kanang penklan ya ka jing bishar bat ka jingrai pedrem kat bagi nang ya chakmat ngin sedang penyar ya ka jing traikam ka forensic in penbun ru iki cyber crime unit bat penklan ya ka criminal justice system 2.0 ka sarkar kala menjur ban penkenria ya ke police reserve bat labang sanpau ekar ke jaka hanu shlong nak benda ban bu ya ke police reserve ke bathamai. We remain deeply committed to inclusive development, especially in border regions where communities have long faced challenges of isolation and limited connectivity. The visit of the Honorable Union Finance Minister to Meghalaya has further strengthened the state's efforts towards inclusive development in border regions. Water security forms a cornerstone of Meghalaya's development vision. Under Mission 10, the state has reaffirmed its commitment to ensuring every citizen benefits from reliable, safe, and inclusive public services. Among the 10 commitments outlined, universal access to tap water stands out as a major success. Ban kentiu ya kekam jengok perthai bat kejingyat penyat lingsun ya kejela ka sarkar dangshen kalathit khatway point nyau husan eka kejaka ban penhe ya kakat lingsun Shillong airport knang baki lingsun ki bakham he kinla ban wan bat ban penklan ya kalat ban penyasno bat kiwi ki sorba lai soiru ya ka circular ban penyat ya ke Baljek Airport Hatura. ka Sorkar Dangshan kala Benaru ya ka Chief Minister's Regional Transport Scheme bat penyat di ki bus ban penyeso ya ki headquarter jong ki block bat ki headquarter jong ki district ka Sorkar ka kular ban pentikna ba man ki nong shong shnong kinyo ya ka jing sumar ka babha bat ka bakila ban kotbor ka Meghalaya ka don ka mang tingka ha ka tnat ka kwat ka khya ka ba hetam ha India kas kam jong ka Sorkar ha kini news jam ka ai jingkremen bat jing shania ha ki nong shong shnong gilabu ka thong ban penroi dak ba pelek jingmut ha ka rep karyang ka kam jungok perthai ka jingkin tiu sap ka kam karkhana ka information technology boarding bat ban penbha ya ki jaka sor kini ki jing persang kilawan ra ya ki jingkio ha ka kamai ka ji kinong rep kinong sem kam seng jam kinong penbiang ki yang basa bat kinong trai IT ki project ki babun kintup ya ka tech park ki Shlam Khai urban center thamai bat ki hotel Ramdor kinang ya chakman kat bang dang phai khmat bantai ya ka Viksit Meghalaya ngiai phai khmat shaki jing shisha ki bangi i bat banyok sko ya ka sur ka jong pai ba aga snam baladep hapo ka CM Connect menteri rang ba ulai kedu bat ki nong rep ki nong seng kam la jong ki nong ilek kai ki samla ki nong ruai bat ki nong shong shnong na ki jing trei bopher nadu palas dang mencem snem ka Sorkar kalai rap palat lai pau hajar ki nong shong shnong banyo banyak kedu palat khatsan hajar ngut ki brio ban penslori ki pai ba makin shim jing mentoy naga program CM Connect ka Sorkar kalaya Shakhmat ban bu ki CM Connect centers hatura joai bat ban penbut ru sahakiwe da ki shnong katnat kerep jong ka Meghalaya ka bedeng ban telun ring ba ki program bat ki mission ki ba paikmat syaki jingthung ki ba lakdor kubu shinrai lakadong using so nyam tra khasi mandarin so phan uktit bat ki musla ka jing shalan badang shan ya shipau metric ton so merit na southwest Garo Hills sha Mumbai lingba ka keru para bat digam para IVCS kolong ke jingjob ka bakrau isok trun na Meghalaya kilong ki ba pau nam bha nak benta ka jingthiang bat ka jingbha khamtam sok trun keu bathung daki nong trap traishnong kanam jong ni sok trun kala pli jingkhang shakiyo ka perthai bat kolong ka jing sarong ye ka jala ke balayo banchalan dangshan ar metric ton usok trun bakhlem ai dawai sha Dubai ya ka bala kawe lama dangshan da ka menteri pelatika kari India ka jingyo mensim jogi nong rep sok trun ka jala kalapau perthai ha ka third pineapple festival ha New Delhi ka balabu bat ai kabu yaki nong rep jongi pan penya yo marep jogi shakeleng kiri bat ka perthai kani ka pen i ya ka jingklan jogi seng bat ki karkhana nong kendong ban penbiang ya ka jing shalan marep bat bu kedan ya ka jela kum ka shlem jong ka jing shalan marep ka bahakmat in villages across Meghalaya MGNR REGS continues to provide vital wage employment, allowing rural families to complement their farm income with steady earnings from local development works. As part of the state's commitment to ensure housing for all, we have made significant progress towards rural housing targets. Of the allotted 186,310 houses under PMAG G, 99.71% have been sanctioned and 79.72% completed. Meghalaya is now emerging as a preferred destination for both domestic and international travelers, unlocking new economic opportunities for the tourism sector. In 2024, over 16 lakh tourists visited our state, drawn by its natural beauty and vibrant culture. To further strengthen this momentum, we have increased the homestay subsidy to 80% from 70% in 2025-26, aimed at expanding quality accommodation across the state. This momentum was further boosted when the Union Finance Minister laid the foundation stone for two projects worth rupees 200 crores funded under SASKI. These include Omiam Lake redevelopment project, a new infrastructure for promoting New Shillong as a meetings, incentives, conference and exhibitions destination. Ngidon ka jingmentoy na kipat ke jela hakaba palat nyau pusau na ka shispa na ki nongsong shnong jongi kidai hapo lai pusan snem kerta ban pendon kampura kini ki samla ka sorkar ka bu akhbat ban ai jihi kai pentebit yaki briu jongka ka skills megalaya kal ai jihi kai ban kintiu yaki sap trekam ya palat ar pun riu hajar ngut ki briu ha kasnem ar hajar ar pusau ar pusan ngisngau sarong baki samla jongi ki batrai ki jaka ai jing sumar hakiri kum ke Japan bat Singapore kilala ban kershan bat pak pisa chala ki bahaya yang kesem ke Meghalaya da ka jing job jong ke prime ka sarkar ke lapadmi ya ke program CM Elevate ha kasnem arajar apulai ke ai jing kershan pisa hakikat kendai teli ki benta kentup ke kam jengok pertai ke rep karyang ke ri jingri ke jingri yang rendia ke sports ke kuat kia bat ki jing penbernya haduk menta ngila kershan palat arjar praspa ngut kinong yo jing mentoy bala pelat pisa haduk prapun riu kulur ke kam tanjan Meghalaya kai long kalat kamai ke bakongsan hakaba palat sau pupra hajar teli kilong yeng kidon benta hakakam ri yang rendia bat palat sau pu ar hajar kilong yeng hakam tanjan ka jingjob katnat ka paushai haba ka sarkar kala shim kya banyarap ya ka Meghalaya Rindia Producers Association D1 Ribhoi District ban apply bat penyo sernot GI Geographical Indication ban itu ya ka kam tan Rindia bat kijan khasi tenrai ka GI registration kalau ka senjam bakongsan ban penek pensa ya ka rukam tanjan tenrai bat kejuk kepor bat penyo ya ka dor ka biang hakiyau ki hat kum gijing itu ya ki nong tan ka jela kum shibenta jong ka Meghalaya Arise project banyada ya ki jakat tuj ha Meghalaya bat pentikna ya ki jing biang ka rukam sam Hasilong bat tura ka sarkar ka shim yagi skim banyada yagi umyo bat ganol ha ka jingmang pisa ka ba laispa sau krur ban penmento ya ka ba ar spa ar santeli ki shnong ka sarkar kala pendap ban pentrikam ya ka Digital India Land Records and Modernization Program lingba ki District Council kani ka program ka kentup ya ka jing thau jingwo ya ki jaka ki puta ka jing penrung digital ya ki record jaka ba ka jing bu record ya ki office sub registrar para nongsong shnong ka Meghalaya ka donbok ba ka sarkar ka yai bu thong bantai ya ka jela ka bakhlan bat ka bakiyo shaprang lingba ka jing persang ki barenti hakani ka sngi ka pang dogin pentamai ya laki kular ban wanra ya ke jing mentoy ki batai ya ke jela haki aka ki bangile ringkat lang da ke jinget bat da ke ju ka thong ngila ban penlong ya ke Meghalaya kawi na ki shpautali ki jela ki papau khmat hakari hapo ar hajar lai pu ar hakaba ngin yo ban ya rakhilang ya ke jingdap ndriu khau snem ya ke jing yo jungi ya la ka jong ka jela. The government remains committed to building a stronger and more progressive state through focused and systematic efforts. Achieving this vision requires the active participation and support of every individual. On this important day, let us reaffirm our commitment to being a productive, enterprising, and compassionate state in our actions. Together, with optimism and shared purpose, we can work towards the goal of placing Meghalaya among the top 10 states in the country by 2032, when we celebrate 60 years of statehood. Sashisin nga ai kublay sngi Laitluid basuk bakmen yapi baro. Kublay mithila jayin.
And Sri Jeffrey Carmolo. I request to kindly give a big round of applause to our sportsperson. Daniel Damrong. Edson Pansa, Sanjur Rinja, Bante Bononsi, Mebaksinan Shilla, Bobby L. Nongbet, the head coach, Kit Borla. They represented the country.